I just launched a full bakery website with real checkout, a pitch deck, and a promo video from 3 sentences. Total. No designer, no developer, no fifth tab open trying to figure out how payments connect. And what actually caught me off guard was how none of it felt disconnected. Let me show you exactly how that happened. Because normally, launching something is a chain of separate jobs. You build the site in one tool, you wire up payments in another, you build the deck somewhere else, you cut the promo video in a 4th app, you touch up the images in a 5th. This is Runable, an AI agent that builds full-stack websites with real payment functionality, pitch decks, videos, images, and more, all from a single prompt connecting to over 3,000 apps. And the thing that changes how it feels to use it? It's one agent handling all of it, not 5 apps stitched together. Most tools I've tested are one trick. One does video, one does slides, one does images. None of them remember anything from the last one. Runable is different in a few specific ways. It's one agent for everything. No switching tools for video, slides, or a website. It asks before it builds, so the output actually matches what I meant the first time. It has memory, tell it your brand once, and it remembers it going forward. And it has rollback, I can go back to any point and try a new direction without losing what I already built. That last one alone changed how I tested it. I wasn't afraid to experiment. The actual flow is 5 steps. I type what I want in plain language. It asks a couple of smart questions: audience, style, structure. I watch it build step by step in real time. I ask for changes and it edits in place instead of starting over. Then I ship, export as PDF, MP4, PNG, or push it live instantly. No prompt engineering, no settings menu, just a conversation. So I tested it on something real. I typed, build a website for a bakery called Bloom & Co. with an ordering page and real checkout. Within minutes, a live site appeared. Homepage, menu, an actual ordering flow with working payments, a custom domain attached. I didn't touch a line of code, then I pushed it further. Now turn this into an investor pitch deck for the same brand. And it built a full slide deck, editable right there on the platform, exportable to PDF or PPTX. Same branding, same tone. It clearly remembered what I'd already told it. Then I asked for one more thing. Create a 60-second explainer video for the bakery and a hero image with the background removed. The video came back narrated with a real problem solution CTA structure, not just random clips stitched together. The image came back clean, background gone, ready to drop straight into the site. One thread, one brand voice, a live site, a deck, a video, and an image, all in one sitting. And the moment that actually got me was seeing the deck use the exact same product photos from the site. Nobody had to re-upload anything. What I liked most is that it doesn't reset your context every time you ask for something new. The brand carried across the site, the deck, and the video without me repeating myself. The real payment setup on the website is the part that usually kills an afternoon on its own, and it just worked. And the rollback feature meant I could actually experiment instead of being scared to break what I'd already built. If you're a creator or a solo founder trying to look professional without hiring a full team, this is worth trying. If you're a marketer or a small team that needs to ship content and pages at scale, it fits that too. If you need a fully custom, deeply engineered platform built line by line, that's a different kind of build. But for most people trying to go from idea to something live, fast, this covers a surprising amount of that journey by itself. What actually stuck with me wasn't the speed, it's that I stopped thinking about which tool I needed for which part. I just described the brand once, and it carried that through everything after. You can try Runable for free using the link in the description. Explore every feature and build your first project today.